Hi, in front of me is FOSSIBOT F101 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and selecting Photos or Library section at the bottom. Wherever you decided, after locating a photo that you wish to delete, hold it. And then, to pick multiple at once, select this dot at the top right corner. Now you can exclude some of your photos that you wish to keep by clicking on them. And then delete the rest thanks to this bin next to the shopping cart at the top right corner. Finally, click on Got It in the pop-up and then select Move to Trash to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!